Porch Swing Kit Installation Tutorial. Tools needed: Instruction Manual, Large Screwdriver, Permanent Marker, 1/4 inch drill bit, Tape measure, Drill. Ensure the wood beam or joist will support at least 4 times the load capacity. Measure and mark 1/4 inch drill bit to a depth of 1 1/2 inches. Drill pilot hole. Do not use an existing hole if it does not meet correct dimensions. Do not install at an angle. The ceiling hooks must be installed vertically at 90 degrees. Turn the hook so that it does not impair the motion of the swing. The maximum load limit for the 2 chain assemblies must never exceed 500 pounds. Please see diagram on ceiling hook instruction manual for correct installation. Attach the last chain loop to the hook and then close the hook. For purchasing and packaging options, visit perfectionchain.com.